Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The question they ask, what is the value of CD? We have three squares in here. AB is about 9. H is the midpoint of CD. So now I will show you the technique how to answer. So we will concentrate about the line in here. So we know that AH is the side of the square, so I put about S. This one is about S. H is the midpoint of CD, so this one you got about S over 2. So this one they should get about S over 2. And S, you can see that this is a right triangle, so we can apply about Pythagorean Theorem. So you got about 2s square plus 1.5 s square equals to 9 square. So we sum two numbers together. So you got about 6.25 s square equals to 981. So you got about s square equals to 81 divided to 6.25. You got about 12.96. We put the square root in the both sides and we just accept about positive number, and you got about 3.6. That's the end. Thank you for watching.